Alright, so for today's lesson, we're going to be talking about true or false number sentences. And this is lesson 2.98 in our Oklahoma Essentials and Everyday Math. Alright, so we have three different sections in this true or false number sentence, okay? So the first one is open sentences. I want you to think about these like equations with unknowns. However, you're not going to be putting a letter in there, you're just going to be putting a box. Next, we have our solutions. So what is our answer to the box? And then finally, we have a number sentence where we write out the whole equation with our solution inside our equation. All right, so let's get started. All right, so the first one that we're going to talk about today is 45 divided by 9 equals something. I don't know what that is, but hopefully you can help me out. So with this right here, we have 45 divided by 9 equals something. Well, I need to work backwards if I don't know division. So, something times 9 equals 45. Okay, well if I know my 9's tables, I know that 9 times 5 equals 45. So, in my solutions, I'm going to put a 5. Now that we have that, we're going to be writing our number sentence. 45 divided by 9 equals, replace this square with our answer, our solution, 5. There you go. You figured that one out. All right, we're going to do one now that might be a little bit more complicated, but I'm going to help you to explain it. So we're going to do 2 times 3 equals 6 times our box. So whatever's on this side of the equal sign has to equal whatever's on this side of the equal sign. Okay, so equals, it has to equal. So 2 times 3 I know is 6. All right. Over here, 6 times something has to equal 6. So 6 times 1 equals 6. So now that I found my solution, I have to write my number sentence. 2 times 3 equals 6 times 1. So 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 1 is 6, and they both equal the same. The next one won't be as tricky, but you kind of got to think through it, okay? So we have 400 plus something is greater than 400 plus 29. Now you might be asking yourself as you look at this, oh, that's easy. I could put 30. I could put 31. It really doesn't matter what you put in there as long as this side is greater than 400 plus 29, which we know is 429. These are just expanded. So with this over here, I could put any number I wanted to in there, but I have to make sure that when I put my solution in to my number sentence, it makes sense. So in this case, I'm just going to make it really simple. I'm going to put 30. So what I'm going to do is do 400 plus 30 is greater than 400 plus 29. So those are simple true or false number sentences in this kind of a lesson that we're doing. So we have open sentences, which are our equations with an unknown, our solution, which is our answer in this case, and then finally a number sentence that is our equation with the actual solution in it. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed. If you need any help, just let me know.